Hey, what's up everybody? This is Guillermo Auto. I got a 2010 Toyota Corolla. I'm doing a tail light assembly replacement. Basically the housing that holds the lights, this red housing, mine's cracked. It's this one right here. What we want to do to get this off is pop the hood and then come over here and get these black clips out. You can use this little plastic pry bar or some pliers, a flathead, whatever you got to get it out. Just pull these out. We can set them right here in this little tray or just wherever. Just don't lose them, because you'll need them to get this back in. Alright, then we're going to pull this little liner cloth down. It's pretty flexible, so you just set it aside. And then here's where it's connected to the car, the taillight assembly that is. It's held on by these nuts right here. There's looks like 3. This one has a little connector on it. We're just going to pull that off, it's no problem. And then we disconnect the housing right here, the wires. So first come over here, disconnect this white connector, push the button. If you got big fingers like me, you could use like a something to just push on the button and pull it out. A lot of these connectors are real tiny. I don't have the small fingers for that. Then I can pull this connector. This just pulls right off. That's just a wire harness guide. Then we're gonna have to get these 3 nuts off. So let's go ahead and bust these nuts. 10 millimeter. Go ahead and get these going here. 1, 2, and 3. Save these nuts. Go ahead and set them aside. And then this will push out. You can leave these wires on this for now. And basically there's this little a little white clip as well that you could push on to help get it out. It's this guy right here. I used some pliers and I just kind of squeezed him and pushed him out, and then he came out. And then here's what I'm talking about. I got my pliers and I just kind of squeezed that white part and pushed it, if yours has that. And then just come outside and then massage it, wiggle it loose until it comes off. Be careful. Expect kind of a struggle, a little bit of resistance. I mean, just a little bit though. And then here's my new one. My new one comes with new bulbs and wiring, so it's kind of like a plug and play. I just gotta put it back in the car and plug it back in. Yours may not come with that. You might have to switch your wires over to it. It's not that hard at all. Just just copy it. Here's my part number. I believe this is the part number for the one I got. It's pretty much the same exact thing. I'm just gonna put it back on the car, just how the other one came off. Line up those studs. Put the nuts back on the studs. I'll just kind of do like hand tighten them, or tighten them only a little bit until I got all 3 kind of tightened down, and then I'll go around and get them all tightened down all the way. They don't gotta be mega tight. You can break the studs on these. Just get them pretty snug, and then maybe like a quarter turn after snug. Okay, once those are in, let's go and plug our connector back in. Okay, got that plugged in, and I will put this guy back on right here. He just pushes right back on, and test it out, make sure it works. And that's it, guys. I have a little brake thing I'm pushing, and I turn my headlights on to just make sure it works. You can also turn your hazards on just to check the blinker and stuff. And that's pretty much it, guys. Keep your other bulbs if you need to. Hope this helped.